The key to success for small and big businesses. That's part of the message at an inaugural expo in Rockford.
Nikhil Delgado spent part of the day discovering how robots can make life and work a little easier. Nikhil?
That's right, Eric and Mimi. I learned that robotics are the future for minuscule daily tasks, but also for the too dangerous for human tasks as well.
We are Rockford. We are the manufacturing hub. And robots can definitely be a part of it, and they should be a part of it.
Sales executive for American, Brian Sullivan, says he is a tech-forward kind of guy, and seeing how the company could be more efficient and safe is exciting.
I see that being more and more in the future of the jobs that it's too dangerous for a human being, or the humans just don't want to do it anymore. So let them do other things. Let them build the robots instead of being the robot.
The purpose of this expo is to provide robotic experts to demonstrate where the future of the workforce is heading. Experts from Pringle Robotics say places like Peoria are already utilizing these robotics.
We have it in the Peoria Riverfront Museum right now, and they use it as a hostess spot to guide patrons to the different exhibits. So it can be programmed for any environment to take them, to take your customers or patrons where they need to be.
This is the huge opportunity for local companies to modernize their operations.
Experts say these robotics could be helpful in professions like manufacturing, warehouse, industrial, hospitality, healthcare, retail, sanitation, and security.
We want to educate a lot more people in the area, broaden horizons, and hopefully the children will come aboard on it and gravitate toward that and do that more in the future for here in Rockford.
American and SBDC says there will be having more expos like this as the technology advances. Mimi, Eric?
Thanks, Nikhil.